Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time card share. And today I will be using Scoops of Fun die once again. She just released this if you hadn't seen it. I'm also using the Criss Cross Card Dies, the Party Cake die, Very Special Delivery stamps and dies. I'm also using the Strawberry Flower die plate, party banners, tiny bows, and then Gorgeous Gardens. That's the paper pack that I'm using, and I'm using the green paper from there. And here goes my card. This is a 3-layer cone, ice cream cone, but I made it into 2 layers, so you can actually cut it down to the layers that you would like to have it. And so I cut it down to 2 layers this time, and I thought it turned out really cute. There goes some little chocolate chips that I brung in to mimic mint ice cream, one of my favorite ice creams. And so I thought I would do that. And then wishing you sweet smiles is the sentiment that I decided to use. I did add the little bows on there, and I did forget to show you the 4mm flat back pearls. And I used those, and she now has those in her shop if you'd like to pick those up. And I did color them to match my paper as well. And then I did the inside just like the outside using some of those layers there. And that's about it. I really like how it turned out. I did add some stickles on top of there, or glitter rather, on top of there to add some sparkle. But that's about it. Make sure you use the link down below if you'd like to go over to My Creative Time store, maybe purchase you some of those items that I showed. My discount code is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or you can use any of the other designers as well. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.